Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and set up Claude Code from start to finish. Don't worry, if you are a complete beginner, I will explain everything. By this end of this video, Claude Code will be running on your computer. As you can see on this flowchart, first thing we need Git bash. Open your browser and search for Git bash. Click on the first link and download the latest version. Install it normally. After installing, open Git bash once to make sure it works. Now we need Node.js. Open your browser and search for Node.js. Click on the first link and get Node.js. Download the latest version. In simply, you can install the Node.js on your computer. After installation Node.js and Git bash, now we're ready to edit the environment variable. Copy these two paths one by one. Now minimize it and search for edit system environment variable. Click on it and edit environment variable. Click on path, click on edit, then click on new, paste it, click on OK, and the another path, click on path, edit new, and paste the another path. And click on OK, and then OK. Now close it and go to the flowchart. As you can see, to check that Node.js is installed successfully, copy this command and go to the terminal, search for terminal and paste it. If you see a version number, then Node.js is installed successfully. Now we need an Anthropic API key. I have already an API key, so I will skip the creation process in this video. In the next video, I will show how to get an API key for completely free. So don't forget to subscribe and let's continue with the setup process. Now in step 4, you can see a command. Copy this and open PowerShell or Git bash. I will prefer PowerShell. Open PowerShell and paste the command and hit enter. As you can see, the Claude Code is installing on your computer. It will take few seconds. Wait for it. Now you can see the installation is completed. So go to the flowchart for the next step. Now we will create the settings.json file on the .claude folder. First of all, we go to the file and go to this PC and drive C. Click on it and go to the users. Double click on it and click on my folder. Then click on you can see the .claude folder. Open it and make sure you have the VS Code. So open in VS Code. In VS Code, we will create a file. Now you can see we have a setting.json file. Now go to the flowchart and copy this setting.json code. Replace the Anthropic API key to the original API key. To do this, open Notepad, and as you can see, I have a Anthropic API key, and I replaced with my setting.json code. After replacing the whole thing, copy the code and minimize it and go to the VS Code. Open the setting.json folder. In this folder, paste the code and save it and close the program. Reopen the terminal and just type Claude and hit enter and select yes, I trust this folder. As you can see, Claude Code is running successfully. So I will provide the complete flowchart on our Telegram channel, so don't forget to join our Telegram channel. I will provide the link in the description below. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.